I will tell you the story of gold that began with a simple shine and changed the world.
The first question: when did humans first realize the existence of gold? Imagine, someone walks to a river to collect water.
His eyes catch a sparkle in the sand, not like stone, not like dirt, something different.
He picks it up, heavy, smooth, and completely free from rust. And this was the first clue it was special.
He rubs it, its shine grows brighter, and the tribe is amazed.
Let me tell you a secret. Gold was not formed on Earth. It came from exploding stars. In a supernova, immense pressure creates heavy elements. Gold is one of them. Then it became cosmic dust and traveled for billions of years before mixing into Earth's material.
When Earth was molten, gold sank toward the core because of its weight. Gold often hides inside quartz veins, like a yellow line inside stone. Rain and wind erode rocks, releasing tiny gold particles into rivers. Because gold is heavy, it settles at the bottom of riverbeds. This is called placer gold, hidden beneath sand and gravel. Understand this. Early humans did not first search for gold in mines. They searched in rivers. The first method, simple panning, swirling sand in a wooden bowl so gold settles at the bottom. The second method, digging shallow pits near rivers where heavy materials collect. The third method, following rock cracks. Where there is quartz, there is a higher chance of gold. When the first nugget was found, people realized this material is rare, not found everywhere. And from here begins the journey of gold's value, from beauty to wealth. Gold is soft. Early humans shaped it simply by hammering it with stones. The first objects, beads, rings, and simple pendants. Whoever wore gold was seen as important in the tribe. It became a status symbol.
Gold was considered spiritual, used in temples and rituals.
Now we move to ancient civilizations, where gold use is historically documented.
In Mesopotamia Valley, evidence of gold jewelry appears.
The Sumerians crafted fine gold ornaments. Gold trade began. People carried gold across distant lands. Gold gained a new role. Exchange. Goods traded for gold. And then, Egypt entered the Golden Age, where gold became a symbol of power. Ancient Egypt opened desert mines. Workers dug shafts and broke rocks. The ore was crushed and washed to separate the gold.
Primitive furnaces melted gold into small shapes.
Pharaohs wore golden crowns as proof of authority.
Gold was placed in tombs to preserve power in the afterlife. Nubia supplied additional gold, strengthening Egypt's gold network.
Boats transported gold along the Nile, supporting trade and control.
Gold was called the metal of the gods. Temples were decorated with it. Demand for gold increased, and mining became harsher. Gold spread to Asia and Europe through traders.
The Indus Valley shows signs of gold jewelry and trade.
In China, gold was used in artifacts and ornaments.
The Persian Empire connected trade routes, accelerating gold flow. Greek cities minted gold coins, standardizing their economy. King Croesus of Lydia made standardized coinage famous. Coins made gold portable wealth, accepted everywhere. Rome built treasuries filled with gold. State power depended on it.
Roman soldiers were paid in gold coins, linking gold to military strength. The Silk Road carried gold across continents, forming a global network. Gold became common in temples, palaces, and markets. In the Americas, Mayan and Incan civilizations considered gold sacred. The Incan Sun Temple shone with gold, symbolizing divine light.
Then Spanish explorers arrived, their eyes fixed on gold.
They looted gold and sent it to Europe, a dark turn in history.
Gold made European empires wealthy and fueled wars.
Colonies were built to control resources, including gold. In this era, both gold's value and human greed reached extremes. West Africa also had powerful gold empires, centers of wealth and trade.
Mansa Musa's pilgrimage astonished the world through gold distribution.
Now we move to medieval Europe, where people dreamed of creating gold. Alchemists experimented, trying to turn lead into gold.
But the real secret of gold was not in chemistry. It was in nature.
Goldsmiths began storing gold safely and issuing receipts. Those receipts started being traded, forming the basis of early banking. States built treasury systems, tightening control over gold storage. Gold weight and purity were tested, developing trust systems. Gold became more stable in value, almost like a standard.
Then came the gold standard. Currencies were backed by gold reserves.
This made trade easier, but control rested with governments.
The industrial age changed mining scale dramatically.
Major discoveries in Brazil sent people rushing to mines.
In 1848, the California gold rush reignited river panning. Boom towns formed overnight. Shops, tents, chaos.
Everyone dreamed, one more nugget and I'll be rich. Australia experienced its own gold rush.
South Africa developed deep underground mining shafts.
Dynamite and machines increased extraction, but risks grew too.
Refineries purified gold into bars by removing impurities.
Purity was measured by the carat system, 24K being pure.
Gold entered global markets, prices rising and falling.
Central banks began storing gold reserves. National security depended on it. During wars, gold was moved to secure locations.
The Great Depression changed government gold policies.
Fort Knox became a symbol of gold security. The gold standard's influence declined, but gold's perceived value remained strong.
During crises, investors turned to gold as a safe haven.
The gold jewelry industry and luxury brands increased demand. In weddings and cultural events, gold symbolized honor and security. Religious artifacts incorporated gold as a symbol of purity and devotion. Olympic gold medals carried gold symbolism worldwide.
Science explains, gold does not rust because it is chemically stable.
Gold is an excellent conductor of electricity, used in electronics. Inside microchips, gold wires act like tiny highways.
Satellites use gold coatings to reflect heat, making gold vital in space. Medical research explores gold nanoparticles for new treatments.
Today, open-pit mines extract gold, but environmental impacts exist. Recycling has become important. Gold is recovered from old phones. In the digital age, digital gold emerged, but real gold remains a symbol of trust. Now imagine a prehistoric human holding a river nugget and today's global economy. The story of gold does not end. It came from stars, was discovered by humans, and will continue to shine into the future.